In this section of your Google form, you're going to be talking about numbers and how to rewrite them different ways. So the first question in this Google form is, what is another way to write 10 tenths? So I've pulled out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tenths. So another way to write 10 tenths, if I circle these blocks and I group them, they now make a whole. So 10 tenths is actually also written as one whole. Let's look at another problem that's very similar. So what happens if I have 12 tenths? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 tenths. Well, another way to write our 12 tenths, what do you have here now? You have 10 tenths and 1 2 tenths. So you still have your 12 tenths, but now you've made a whole. So now we can rewrite this as 1 whole and 2 tenths. So 12 tenths is the same thing as 1 whole and 2 tenths. So something you might think about is that we said 10 tenths. Something we need to think about is when we said we had 10 tenths, we said was the same as 1 whole and 2 tenths. So what about when we had, I'm sorry, back up on that. When we had 10 tenths, we said that it was the same as 1 whole. Okay, so then when we had 12 tenths, it was the same as 1 whole and 2 tenths. So think about that when you work through these next slides, the wording that the slides are using. If it's saying tenths, but you have 23 tenths, think of a way you can rewrite that, grouping the 10 tenths into wholes, okay?